Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the screen rotation isn't working on your Redmi 17. First of all, swipe down the control center and make sure that your screen orientation isn't locked. So tap on this icon and then try testing it in supported applications. As you can see, if we tilt our phone on the home screen, it will not rotate because Xiaomi OS simply doesn't support that. So most probably this feature will work in apps like our web browser. Let's test it right here. Let's tilt our phone to different sides, and as you can see, it works as it's supposed to. And if it doesn't work for you, then what you should do is make sure that your device is updated to the latest version. First of all, go to Settings, check About Phone, make sure that your device has Wi-Fi connection, then go to Xiaomi HyperOS and check whether you have available updates. If you do, take your time to install the latest one and then restart your smartphone. Otherwise, simply restart your smartphone after disabling the screen rotation lock in Control Center. To restart your smartphone, press power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe down to reboot and wait until your device is restarted. Restarting your smartphone resets your device's sensor. Therefore, right now the problem might be resolved, which is true for most cases. So now go to your web browser again and check the gyroscope sensor one more time. And it works, well, as it's supposed to. And if this didn't help you, then we can check for the application's interference by going to Safe Mode, which we can access by simply pressing power button and volume up key at the same time and swiping the circle down. And now we're gonna have to wait for the Xiaomi logo to appear on our screen. And once it appears on the screen, you have to wait for about 3 to 5 seconds before starting to hold down the volume down button. Once you start it, keep holding it until your device gets restarted into the safe mode. Once you are in the safe mode, you will see this indicator in the bottom left corner of your screen, and here no background apps will be interfering with your device's system. Therefore, we can check whether all the features like auto rotation work properly. And if they started to work properly, then you're gonna have to find out which application caused this issue, or simply reset your application settings, which we cannot do directly, unfortunately, but we can either reset network settings by going to settings of our phone, going to more connectivity options, and then resetting Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth right here. You can also perform a full factory reset as a last resort by going to About Phone. Then before you perform factory reset, you have to select Backup and Restore and back up all the important data using one of these 4 options. Then to perform factory reset, you have to go to Factory Reset and tap Erase All Data and confirm your choice, and then set up your device once again and restore data from the backup. Or just go to Apps menu, find the app that you suspect could have caused this issue, select it and uninstall it. And after that, restart your phone normally by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time. Swipe down to restart and wait until your device is restarted. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.